You're watching how Leap lets use multiple accounts on Threads. Open the Threads app by Meta on your device. On the main profile tab, tap the profile icon or your username at the bottom. A menu will pop up showing your current account. Tap Add Account at the bottom of this menu. You will be prompted to log in with the username and password of the other Instagram account you wish to add. Once logged in, that account is added to your Threads app. To switch between your accounts, simply tap the profile icon or your username again. From the menu that appears, select the different account you want to switch to. The app will instantly refresh and show the timeline and profile for that selected account. You can repeat this process to add several accounts and switch between them seamlessly as needed. This allows you to manage personal and professional profiles or different communities all from one app. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.